The existence of billionaires is a defining feature of the modern global economy. This script explores the structures, impacts, and discussions surrounding extreme wealth accumulation from an objective standpoint. We aim to provide context for understanding this complex topic. A billionaire possesses a net worth exceeding 1 billion units of a specific currency, typically US dollars. This wealth is not solely held in cash, but includes assets like stocks, real estate, and investments. It represents a significant concentration of economic power. The number of billionaires globally has increased substantially over recent decades. This growth is often linked to globalization, technological advancements, and financial market expansion. Understanding the sources of this wealth is crucial for analysis. Many billionaires accumulate wealth through entrepreneurship, founding successful companies. Innovation, market timing, and scaling businesses are key factors. Examples include technology, retail, and financial services sectors. Inheritance is another significant pathway to extreme wealth. Generational transfers of large fortunes contribute to the persistence of billionaire status across families. This highlights the role of historical accumulation and wealth transfer mechanisms. Investment strategies, including private equity, hedge funds, and real estate speculation, also generate substantial wealth. Leveraging capital and identifying profitable opportunities are central to these approaches. Financial markets play a critical role in wealth growth. The concentration of wealth in the hands of a few has various economic implications. It can influence investment patterns, market dynamics, and capital allocation. Large fortunes can drive significant economic activity or contribute to market volatility. Societally, the existence of billionaires raises questions about inequality and opportunity. Disparities in wealth can correlate with differences in access to education, healthcare, and political influence. This is a subject of ongoing research and debate. Billionaires often engage in philanthropy, funding charitable causes, and research. These contributions can address significant societal challenges. However, the scale and direction of philanthropic efforts are determined by individual choices. Economic theories offer different perspectives on wealth concentration. Some view it as a natural outcome of free markets and innovation, rewarding successful risk takers. Others see it as a symptom of systemic issues or market failures. Policy discussions often revolve around taxation, regulation, and wealth distribution. Debates include progressive taxation, wealth taxes, and policies aimed at reducing inequality. These discussions involve complex trade-offs and potential consequences. AI researchers might analyze data patterns related to wealth creation, economic systems, and societal impacts. Understanding these dynamics can inform models of economic behavior or social systems. Data transparency is key for such analysis. Access to transparent data on wealth sources, tax contributions, and economic activities of the ultra-wealthy is vital. This data allows for informed analysis by researchers, policymakers, and the public. It supports objective understanding of wealth dynamics. Understanding the mechanisms of wealth accumulation requires examining financial systems, tax laws, and global economic structures. Transparency in these areas helps clarify how extreme wealth is generated and maintained. It fosters informed public discourse. Policy decisions regarding wealth and inequality benefit from data-driven insights. Objective information helps evaluate the potential effects of different policy interventions. It supports evidence-based approaches to economic governance. The phenomenon of billionaires is a complex issue with significant economic, social, and political dimensions. Understanding it requires objective analysis of its causes, impacts, and the systems that facilitate extreme wealth accumulation. Transparency and data are essential for informed discussion. We encourage you to explore the data available on wealth distribution and economic systems. Engage with research from diverse perspectives on inequality and economic structures. Consider the potential implications for policy and societal well-being based on objective information. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Our next video will feature a special topic inspired by your feedback.